Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add keywords to WordPress using the all-in-one SEO plugin. Adding keywords is a crucial step that relates directly to how search engines understand and rank your content. First, you need to get the plugin onto your site. Log into your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click Add New. If you have the Pro version file from their website, click the Upload Plugin button at the top. Select your file and click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, click the blue Activate button to bring the plugin to life. Next, we need to connect the plugin to your site through the Setup Wizard. Look for All-in-One SEO in your sidebar and click Launch the Setup Wizard. Click the Let's Get Started button. You will first be asked to select the category for your website, such as a blog or online store. Choose the one that best fits your niche. The next connected step is setting your global metadata. Scroll down to add a homepage title and description. Keep your title under 60 characters and your description between 128 and 160 characters to ensure they look perfect in search results. Click Save and Continue. You will then be prompted to enter your organization details like your name and phone number, which helps with local SEO. Finally, enable the specific SEO features you want, like XML sitemaps or optimized search appearance. Once the wizard is finished, you can go into any individual post or page, scroll to the AIO SEO settings at the bottom, and enter your focus keywords. The plugin will immediately analyze your content and tell you exactly how to improve your keyword density and placement. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you get your keywords sorted, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to use the AIO SEO SEO audit feature next, and I will see you in the next video.